So I am tired of using a ladder to get way up there, and I see all my hot glue is failing. It was cheap and easy and fast. Bad idea, don't use hot glue. The track comes down, two lanes. Showed you this all before. Look, more stuff falling down. That's the LED strip lighting. Anyways, the place is a mess. I'm gonna try to go around here. That's falling down. Okay, there was nothing over here. Gonna have to make this quick. I haven't sprayed the yard yet. Mosquitoes are out trying to get me. A 2-lane 180. A couple of 45s. Opens up. Open track. That's falling down. Hell, I don't even think it's working. Yeah, it's working. What I'm thinking of doing, this place is turning into more of a storage shed. So it's a long track. But after 2 hurricanes and a tropical storm, look, and it wasn't that long ago when I put this up. Where's this stuff come from? Yeah, way up on the ridge vent. Blows right in. But you gotta let the hot air out somehow. Where was I? Comes down here. Damn it. There we are, back online. Goes over there, runs out. So, this is too low to the ground. And the other part is too high. I want to change the start gate, which is way up there, 8'2". And the finish line, which is 7 inches off the ground. And I want to put the start gate directly above. See them wires? Yeah, they go to the start light, timer, circuit. I've got the finish timer and the flag right there. I want to put the start gate right above here, so I might want to start somewhere. Let's see. I see green. All right, let me walk over there. I want something. Damn mosquitoes. I can just put my cars on. I don't need a ladder. Run them down, turn them around, and do that little trick that 3D does and everybody else, and skewer it closer and closer to the wall. You can't see me. So it doesn't come out 2 feet. So we got a straight. We got a well, it's going to be a 180. Turn around, get close to the wall. 180. Come down to 180 and come into a finish. And then the finish line will scoot closer to the wall. I want to get rid of all this stuff on the left and all this stuff on the right. I hope this comes out. Man, I need to get out of here. I haven't sprayed at all. It's that time of year. So before you get all itchy in your pants about sending me cars, I gotta redo all the wiring. Now, you know I blew this up way up here, the start gate. Had a video on that. A, B, C, D, E, F12 caught on fire. Yeah. Whereas the double-sided tape failed also. Don't take shortcuts. Alright? But a lot of this needs to be cleaned up, and we're going to refocus. Probably all new wiring too. See you guys later. Thanks for watching.